Hey guys, welcome back. Scooter ATV Sales, Scooter City ATV Wholesale Outlet. We have some service and repair. We do have the DB36 Enduro 4-stroke 5-speed manual transmission on our lift today. Just getting done a little service, a little go over, safety check on there. Checking out the brake systems, clutch systems. It's 4-stroke, electric start and kick start. Very popular. You can ride this on the street and you can ride it off-road. So it's a great bike for that purpose. And again, we wrench on everything here in our service center. We got all the Chinese brands here that we wrench on, as well as some of the older model Japanese brands. So you should come down here and check us out. We do have a engine replacement going on here at the X16 Apollo. So we should have this done soon. We've got the engine removed from it, as you can see, off the main frame here. It's on a jack system here, the X16 by Apollo. This is a fully automatic dirt bike. For those that do not want to shift, this is a great starter bike to ride. We have this now on sale for $995. We're located at 920 Matley Lane in Reno, number 6, and the number here is 775-856-3398, 775-856-3398. We do service and repair on all scooters, mopeds, tire changes. We do got plenty of tires in stock for majority of all mopeds, 49cc, 50cc, as well as the 150cc's. We have a full line of helmets in stock. We got ATVs in stock, as you can see. We'll show you our line of helmets here. We got a new shipment of kids line with some really nice graphics. We got the shark graphics, spider graphics, skeleton head graphics, and we got the pink helmets for the girls as well. Nice graphics on these, on sale package deals, $79. Includes gloves and goggles, and we got our popular scooter helmets in stock as well. Again, 920 Matley Lane in Reno, number 6. We are open Tuesday through Friday, 10 to 5, and then Saturday, 11 to 3. We are closed Sunday and Monday. We'll see you guys soon.